So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in about your PC. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you just want to take a note of your device name. You could just copy it. Now once you've done that, we're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then click on this PC. Then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties. You want to click on the Security tab and then you want to click on Advanced. And then you want to click on Change. You want to paste in your system name that you copied earlier. And then you want to click on OK. Now once you've done that, you want to right click on your C drive again, click on Properties, and then click on Security. Then you want to click on Edit, and then you want to find Administrators. You want to click on it, make sure that you have full control selected on Allow, and make sure that everything else is on Allow as well, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Then you want to run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, I've left a bunch of commands down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste all of them one by one. So I'm going to start with the first one, copy and paste it right here, prompt, and then the second one. I'm just going to speed this up. And now for the last one, it's sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. So you want to run all those commands. And now for the last command, you want to complete the scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.